Hello and welcome to our video on how to book an appointment at the VFS Center for Germany in Delhi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of booking an appointment for your visa application. Step 1. Visit the VFS Global website. The first step is to visit the VFS Global website at https://visa.vfsglobal.com/in/n/due. This is the official website for booking visa appointments for Germany in India. Step 2. Select your visa type and location in the VFS Global website. Select the type of visa you want to apply for and the location where you will be submitting your application. In this case, select Germany and New Delhi. Step 3. Register or log in to your account. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to register by providing your personal details and creating a password. Step 4. Choose your appointment date and time. After logging in, you will be directed to the appointment booking page. Select the date and time that works best for you. You may need to pay a fee to confirm your appointment. Step 5. Print your appointment confirmation. Once you have confirmed your appointment, you will receive a confirmation email with your appointment details. Print this confirmation and bring it with you to your appointment at the VFS Center. In conclusion, booking an appointment at the VFS Center for Germany in Delhi is a simple process if you follow these steps. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.